Hey everybody and welcome back. This week we are talking about Earth. Earth is the third planet in our solar system. It is the third planet closest to the sun. The sun is in the middle of our solar system and all the planets go around, especially Earth. Earth is a nice green and blue planet with some white because that's what's on our Earth. We have air which has clouds in it and it creates a nice white color and it has different types of clouds. It has swirly clouds. And then we also have blue. Blue is for the water. We have a lot of water on Earth. It's 70%. That's like a lot of it. That's almost the whole planet's made out of water. And then we have the Earth. We have, I know, we said Earth, we call it Earth, but some people call the dirt and grass and everything Earth. So that's where we live on, that's where we have all of our food growing on, and that's where a lot of animals live on. So we have those three things, and Earth is very, 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 very special to us because that's our planet. That's where we're on, and we need to help take care of it. So today I wanted to draw a picture. I think you guys are familiar with this. We did it one time before. So, but today I would like to draw the Earth. How do we draw the Earth? Well, I think that first we need a nice, maybe blue circle because the Earth is blue. Now, we can use, if you're coloring with me, which I always tell you guys, I always tell you guys I like. So, I'm going to get a nice blue circle. You can draw a blue circle too using a crayon or a marker or a color pencil. There's so many things you can do. So I have my blue circle. I hope you guys have your blue circle too. This is gonna be my blue circle. Should I move it over so it's not, so I'm not break shit, so I can show you guys better? Good. Okay, so this is my circle. Yeah, this is all the water. Like we said, Earth is not just all water. So what I can do is I'm going to take a shape maker, like a paintbrush maybe, or maybe a pencil. Let's see what we have in our handy dandy shapes. Let's see. I have a pen tool. That's not what I want to use though. Let's get a paintbrush. Let's stick to what we know. Let's get a paintbrush. And I want to make a nice, oh, not that one. Oh no. I meant to do green because Earth is green and not blue. So I'm gonna get some green. I want to get like a nice green. Not a yellow green, not a blue green. Try and get a nice green so you can draw with me. So I'm gonna draw a random blob right about here. It's gonna look so cool. It's okay if you go over the lines, because guess what? In art, there are no lines. Isn't that pretty special to hear? So, I want you guys to know that there's no lines in art. So then I'm going to color it in. You see, I colored it in. So that's one. So on Earth, the continents, which is the places of dirt and grass and sand, that's where we live on. So, and there's 7 of them. There's 7 continents. So, and sometimes you can't see all of them. So I'm just gonna draw a few shapes to represent the 7 continents we live on, and then it's gonna represent a few of the 7 continents we live on, where humans are. So you have things like islands and peninsulas, and you have peaks and valleys. Peaks are also known as mountains. You can do a mountain. There's rivers. There's so many different types of like water and dirt and sand mixtures on Earth. So it's kind of, there's always something that somebody would like. So why don't you think of something that you like? If you like the beach, maybe you can draw an island. That would be pretty neat. Or maybe if you like the snow, you can draw a tundra. Tundra is almost all snow. Or maybe you can draw a mountain. Or like a large mountain like Mount Everest. That's one of the tallest mountains, if not the tallest mountain. And you can go and climb on it, and it has a lot of snow. So as you see, I have a couple of green places. I'm gonna add just a little more dots for islands. Islands are pieces of land that is entirely encircled by the water. So I'm gonna put those by those islands. So I have 3 islands over here. Do you see them? We have 1 right here. We have 2 right here. And we have a 3rd one right here. 3 islands. And we have 2 large masses, so 2 large pieces of earth right here and right here. Now, it doesn't look a lot like the earth, but I think it looks very nice still. So this is going to be my earth. So I'm very happy, but we need one more thing. Let's try and add maybe some clouds, because remember I told you that there's clouds on earth. That's what we love to hear. We love to see and hear about the clouds. So if you used your green, that means you made some earth. And if you used your blue, that means you made some water. Now, I want to see you, I'm going to use some green for my clouds, just right now. And I'm going to take, but I would like for you guys to use white. So I am going to take that green, because I'm not able to use it. So I'm going to take that green and turn it to white. See? And now the thing is, I should have told you guys. I hope you guys didn't jump ahead. I want you guys to color it lightly, because clouds aren't that big. Clouds, they're kind of thick, but you still want to be able to see them. So if you can take your crayon or your marker, I don't know if there's any white markers. If there is though, please feel free to tell me. I think that'd be so cool if you told me if there was green markers. All right, and then I'm gonna take my color and I'm gonna draw another shape. Now, with art, there's so many shapes. So I hope you make a beautiful shape that we can see. I'm gonna put it here. And then that's my other cloud. So now I have a nice atmosphere for for the birds. I have nice land for all the people and animals. And I have some great water for all the fish and things under the sea. So this is my earth. And I want to say thank you for watching and thank you for listening. And I would love to see your earth. Please send me a great picture of your earth if you make the earth too. And I'll see you next time.